Part 1. New words.
To call. What do you call this? Call your parents. Ugly. An ugly sweater. An ugly old house. To tell. Tell a joke. He told him a story. To agree. Agree with your sister. Agree to go shopping. To continue. Continue reading. Continue running. To argue. Argue with your brother. Argue about clothes.
Part 2. Vocabulary 1. Prepositions on, off. On means be active, activate. Off means be inactive, deactivate. The TV is on. The music is off.
Excuse me, can you tell me where the changing rooms are? They are over there, and the lights inside are on. Why can't we pay for our shopping? The card readers are off at the moment, we need to wait a bit. Can you tell me why the shop is so quiet this morning? The music is off, we have some problem with our music system. Why did you argue with your wife yesterday? We always argue about the air conditioner. I turn it on in the morning, but she prefers it off. What's on at the cinema today? They started showing the comedy you wanted to watch. Let's call the box office and book the tickets. Did the shop assistants continue working when the system was offline? Yes, they helped the customers and told them sizes and prices.
Part 3. Vocabulary 2. Off means free from work.
Why weren't you at work yesterday? We need you to continue our project. I was so tired that I needed some time off. Did you tell your manager you wanted a day off? Yes, and he agreed that I could stay home on Monday. Why did he call you when you were off work? Oh, he just wanted to argue about a small mistake in my report.
Part 4. Vocabulary 3. Phrasal verbs. Put on means start wearing clothes. I put on my jacket. Take off means stop wearing clothes. I took off my jacket. Try on means put on clothes to see if they look good. I tried on this jacket in the shop. Go on means continue. They went on speaking. Go off means make a loud noise. My phone went off. Get on means have good relationship with somebody. I get on with my sisters.
Why didn't you try this dress on in the shop before buying it? My husband didn't agree to wait for me any longer. Why didn't you tell me about the problems with our new suits? We called Mr. Brown, and he told us to go on selling them. Do your children argue a lot? No, they get on really well. Mary says the blue shirt is best for the meeting. I agree with her. Put on the light blue shirt. It looks more professional. Why did you put on this ugly sweater? I agree that it's old and ugly, but I can't take it off now, it's too cold here. Why were you so angry this morning? My alarm clock went off at 6 in the morning, and my brother told me to get up.
Part 5. Read and choose.
Where is the changing room? I'd like to try on these trousers. Come inside, and remember to take off your dirty shoes. Don't forget to put on your hat. It's very cold outside. It's too dark here. Can you turn on the light, please?
Part 6. Quiz.
My phone made a noise at 5 in the morning, and I couldn't go back to sleep. My phone went off at 5 in the morning, and I couldn't go back to sleep. I'm very tired. I need one free day tomorrow. I'm very tired. I need a day off tomorrow. We found another disc and continued listening to music. We found another disc and went on listening to music. It's so cold in the room. Can you deactivate the air conditioning? It's so cold in the room. Can you turn off the air conditioning?